Die Kleidung.
Die Kleidung.
Good. Kleidung is the word for clothing. Okay? So think of it as clothes. If it's a singular object, then Kleidung. If it's more than one thing, then it's a plural, so it's Kleidungen. Okay? What do you think das Kleidungsstück means?
Clothing store.
Oh, good guess, though. Do you remember Stück from last year? I think it was chapter 6. Ein Stück Kuchen, zum Beispiel. I heard somebody say it.
Clothing.
A piece. So think of it as article. A piece of clothing. It's an article of clothing. Okay? A piece of clothing. That one you'll just need to be able to recognize, the Kleidungsstück. So if you see it, you know what it means. Okay? Kleidung, that one you do need to know, for sure. All right. There you go. Here's the first one. Try it. Der Anzug.
Der Anzug.
What's that mean? Suit. Yeah. When you make it plural, the der becomes what? Oh, I got some. Look up at the chart. Der, die, das, die. All plurals become die. Okay. So der Anzug, yeah, apparently everybody did. So der Anzug becomes die, and then where are those umlauts going to go? Over the U, the last vowel possible. Richtig. And then the E goes at the end, so die Anzüge. Okay. And it does mean the full suit, so it includes the pants as well, so it's the top and bottom portion. Okay. Well, we need to know these?
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, I will tell you if you don't.
Okay.
Kleidungsstück you need to be able to recognize. Pretty much all the rest of them you need to be able to produce. Okay. Next one. Try it. Der Pullover.
Der Pullover.
Der Pullover.
Der Pullover.
Or you can shorten it up to der Pulli. Der Pulli. Okay. Okay, so pullover is a pullover. It is a sweater. It is not a sweatshirt. There is a difference. It's the material. Okay, so looking around the room, no one is wearing a sweater today.
My brother is.
Is your brother in the room? Dankeschön. Okay, so no one is wearing a sweater. Okay, everybody in this room at this point is wearing a sweatshirt or something along that line. If you're wearing something else, okay. So it's the material. It's more the knit. Okay, so there is a difference between the two. Okay, I don't care which one you use. Be able to recognize both of them. Okay, but you do need to know at least one of them for sure. Okay. So what's the plural for der Pullover?
Der Pullover.
Not der, but die Pullover. Okay, so the plural for der Pulli becomes what? Die Pullis. Mm-hmm. Okay? Die Pullis. There's multiple spellings. Okay, try the next one. Der Rock.
Der Rock.
Okay, what's that?
Skirt.
Skirt. Richtig. Which is funny because der is a masculine article, yeah? Okay, think of kilts. Maybe that'll help you remember that it's masculine. Okay? So that becomes die Röcke. Okay? Jacob, kannst du bitte die Tür zumachen? Danke. Okay, next one. Die Krawatte.
Die Krawatte.
Okay, and what is that? A tie. Mm-hmm. Focus. See?
Yeah. Say, can you tell me how to spell skirt again?
Rock.
Rock. No. English term.
S-K-I-R-T.
I skipped the I for no.
Not skirt.
Oh.
Yeah, you have to have a vowel.
Oh, I get it. Never mind. Okay.
The good news is that will be posted on YouTube for all people who want to watch it. Thank you, Anton.
Man, if my grandma saw this, I was like, I'm not even gonna tell you what she's supposed to say.
Okay, try the next one. Die Mütze.
Die Mütze.
Come on, die Mütze.
Die Mütze.
Okay. And that is a cap. So it's used for baseball cap or like a winter cap. Okay. So Hut is another one. but they're strangely different. So that would be a hoot.
Oh my god.
I'll get
Didn't even-
That's bad.
Okay, the next one, die Bluse. Okay. What is that? Blouse. Yes, so that is a female button-down type shirt. Okay. Hey, try the next one. Die Hose. Okay, so we would say pants, which sounds plural. Okay? Even in English, we would say, oh, my pants are brown, or whatever. So we use are, so we use the plural, when in fact it's just one article of clothing. So in German they would actually say, my pants is brown, okay? Because it's a singular object, yeah? Okay, so if you're wearing more than one pair of pants, then you would use the plural, or if you're buying more than one pair of pants, then you use Hosen, okay? But otherwise, it's just singular, so make sure you watch your verbs. Verb conjugation is the number one issue with that one. Okay. The next one, die Jeans. Okay. It's as easy as you think, but that one is plural. So pants is singular, jeans is plural. The next one, die Jacke. Okay. What is that? Jacket. So it's a lighter weight jacket. So all of you who are wearing, your own or somebody else's track jacket for band, those are jackets. Okay. So lighter weight jackets.
My name is Rebecca Flannery, and I play bass clarinet.
The next one, der Mantel. Okay. So that one, where are the umlaut's going to go to make it plural?
The E.
Umlauts never go on an E, ever. So it has to go on the A. Okay, so die Mantel. Okay. So that is a winter coat. So that's a heavier one. Sometimes that one helps because it looks like mantle, like a fireplace mantle. And fireplace used when it's cold outside. Okay. Alright, 2 words for the next one. Try the first one. Das Hemd. Okay. And the plural is die Hemden. Or das Shirt. And the plural is die Shirts. Okay. Try that one. Das Shirt. Okay. Germans are becoming more and more excited to use English words, in particular American English. So shirt is, these are button-down type of shirts. Okay, so these are not t-shirts. It's not a t-shirt. It is not the same thing. Okay, you're wearing a t-shirt.
Yeah, in fact, those 2 words mean exactly.
Both of those words just mean shirt.
Okay.
Isn't it t-shirt when it's t-shirts?
Hmm?
Yeah, t-shirt.
Okay. There you go. Try that one. Das T-shirt. It's exactly what you think. Okay, so that one is a regular t-shirt. That's what most of you wear most of the time. Okay.
What does the T in t-shirt stand for? Like, I've never
It's
understood
just-
why there's a T.
It used to be spelled out T-E-E. Why was that? I have no idea. Maybe golf? I have no idea. But shirts look like T's too, so why is it?
Yeah.
It looks like a T.
So do regular shirts, so what's the difference? I don't know.
Stop speaking.
Alright. Oh, for that one, do make sure that you have the T capitalized and the S. Both of them are capitalized. Okay, the T and the S are capitalized. Hey, try that one. Das Kleid. What's the plural going to be? Die Kleider. Yep, good. What is that one? Dress.
Yeah, where were those speaking?
Halfway through. Try that one. Die Socke. Okay. Most of the time you use this one in plural, but if I tell you to come get a whiteboard marker and sock, then I would use singular. Okay? So, die Socke, but the plural is going to be what? Die Socken. Try that one. Der Strumpf. Okay. The plural is what's usually used for this one. Die Strümpfe. Okay. Maybe try that one. Die Strümpfe. It's stockings or pantyhose. Okay, so
Can you write tights?
tights works. Yep.
What was the first one you said?
Would you-
Stockings, pantyhose, tights.
Would
Any
you
of those.
use this for knee-high socks or?
I would use it for knee-high socks. Yeah. So anything beyond like regular length socks are traditionally considered Strümpfe. Okay, you got this one. Here we go. Das Sweatshirt. Can you spell it though?
Probably not.
Coming at you.
I can't spell. That's not my problem.
There's an I in shirt.
Shut up, Kelly, okay? I tried.
There you go. Moving on.
Oh, jeez.
I had to use that picture. It's just too funny. Okay, so try that one. Die Unterwäsche. Okay, try that again. Die Unterwäsche. What is that? Underwear. Undergarments. Underoos. Here we go. I had some fun picking up pictures. So you could probably tell which ones were from the previous PowerPoint person and then which ones I added in. So try that one. Der Schlafanzug. Literally, what does that mean? Sleeping suit. Yeah, so Anzug was suit and Schlaf, sleep. So pajamas.
That's what I wear for Halloween. That's what I wear.
I can't wear onesies to bed because I get too hot.
Me too.
I'm glad we have this discussion. For those of you YouTube followers, that was Brooke. Okay.
You guys follow me too?
So, alright, so when you're looking at this one, remember it's der Anzug, so it's der Schlafanzug, and the plural for Anzug is die Anzüge, so the plural for Schlafanzug is die Schlafanzüge. Okay, so remember it's always based on the last word when you're shoving multiple together. So the der and the plural, okay? Okay, so another one. Okay, so we've got another Anzug. So we've got another der Anzug. Yeah, so try that one. Der Badeanzug. So you'll see other words too. So Badeanzug, bathing suit, literally. Okay, you also see Badehose. That's specifically for guys, so swim trunks. You know, and they do use like bikini and stuff like that. So there's multiple ways to say it, just like in here. Try that one. Der Schuh. Okay. Usually used as the plural. So what's the plural? Die Schuhe. Mm-hmm. Alright. Try the next one. Der Handschuh. Which is a great word.
Hand shoes.
Yeah, literally hand shoe. So we would call that a glove. Yep.
Is this winter gloves and like fancy?
It works for both. Yep. So it could be a regular, you know, winter glove, or it could be you're wearing something, you know, like with a ball gown or something like that. Okay. So der Handschuh, usually the plural die Handschuhe. You could also say ein Paar Handschuhe, a pair of gloves. And that works too. And just like in English, there's the difference between gloves and mittens. Okay, so Fäustling is, so Faust is fist. So the word for mitten is based on the word for fist, because it fits your hand differently. It fits your fist more specifically. Yeah? Yeah. All right. This one I didn't bother putting down the singular. Okay, so try that one. Die Sportschuhe. What's that? Yeah, tennis shoes, sports shoes, yeah. So you'll hear Tennisschuhe, Sportschuhe, Turnschuhe. Okay. So that. They don't wear tennis shoes as often as we do. They wear them actually for athletic purposes when they do, so we tend to wear them pretty constantly, right? So for them, they wear them mostly just for sports, and it's often a kind of a dead giveaway that you're an American as if you're walking around in tennis shoes constantly. And they, for their athletic classes and gym classes and stuff like that, if they're playing in a gym, they are frequently required to have the non-marking soles. So that's kind of a big thing over there too. I know it's not as big of a deal in America as it is there. Trey?
So would they use this for like cleats and basically any type of athletic shoe?
Yep.
What about dance shoes? Because I know you have like tap jazz.
Tanzschuhe.
I know what that means.
All right, this one I didn't make singular either. So der Stiefel is the singular. Try that one. Die Stiefel.
Die Stiefel.
The boots.
Wait, just boots or like?
That's plural. Or what?
Like,
It means boots in general. You can get more specific. If you say Stiefel, I mean, it depends on the context and what you're, like, if you're talking about horseback riding, it's obvious what you mean, yeah? But, like, rain boots would be Gummistiefel, because of the rubber boots, literally. Okay, so it depends. You can make it more specific. Okay. And at the end of this, just for, you don't need to, because you've already written all these down, okay? But there's a list of them for you, okay?